Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search VRBO by property number. So, first, you may want to head over to vrbo.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you want to try to search for your property ID, you can always do so. All you have to do is log into your account, of course, then click on your profile name at the top right corner of your screen. And next is click on owner dashboard. And once you have an existing property that is listed on the site, you should be able to easily see your property ID just below property details. You can use this ID numbers to search for your property or let others search for your property on VRBO. As long as you know the property number for a specific property that you're looking for, you can easily search for it on VRBO. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!